What's going on, guys? Come on in. This is a one-woman show, okay, guys? Kind of wanted to switch things up because I just did not like the flow of the apartment. You'll see what things I've changed if you've been around for the past year. So starting off with my clothes rack in the front. This is where I put my daily jackets, shoes, everything that I can just grab and just head out for the day. So nothing too crazy. And then when you come over here, this was the Fitbee headquarters, if you guys remember. Now it's the bedroom. This is, I'm trying my best, guys. Let's see. Oh, ew, see, like that's so ugly. Whatever. I have this cool lamp that says little waves and stars on the ceiling. So I love using that. But the bedroom is just so simple. Don't want to go crazy with it. I might need to do like a side table, I feel like. Yeah, pretty simple bedroom, if you ask me. Moving on to the bathroom. We're going this way. The way I do home tours. It's okay, you're going in the corner right now. I don't want to turn on this main light just because the fan goes on and it's loud. So we're in the bathroom alone together right now. This is the bathroom. I love the shower. The water gets so hot too. I don't get that in my condo in Florida, so love the shower. I keep everything really simple in the bathroom as well, as you can tell. The other day, I came across these products at Target and they smell so good. This spray you can put on your clothes, body, and it's like hair, body, and linen mist. So I sprayed it on like my bed and it smells so good. And they also have a lotion. Definitely try out this scent if you're at your local Target. But yeah, that's the bathroom. So we're gonna go to the next part. What kind of tour is this? Like, who does this? You're on like a big ass tripod. Okay, remember where the bedroom was? Now it's, I don't know where to put you. Now it's the Fitbee headquarters. This is where I pack orders, guys. So I don't like this light, so we'll see if this works. I need to figure out, let me turn on the light because it's probably so dark. That didn't do anything. It's okay. Sorry if this tour is so ratchet. I need to figure out what to do here. I know I want to hang up the light. I don't know if I want to get a pegboard because also this is a work in progress, guys, but I feel like I could just easily just start it whenever because I feel like it should be so simple, and it probably is. The only thing I probably need is a camera mount over my monitor because I want to start streaming playing Sims. Do you guys play Sims? Because I've been playing since the 2nd grade. Like, I remember in the 2nd grade I had this magazine of house floor plans and there were like mansions, and I still till this day remember there was this one floor plan and it had an elevator in the house, and I really wanted a house with an elevator. Like, what? I don't know, you never know what will happen. Shoot your shot, guys. I was obsessed with those house floor plans that I started drawing them out myself, and my friends in like the 2nd grade would always like ask me to build their dream house. So I had a bunch of house floor plans that I drew out. I would go on Sims and build them, and now like Sims is so complex now. I can do so much. So I wonder, right now I'm working on a Japanese duplex and it's super cute. Wait, no, I forgot. It got deleted and I'm kind of sad. So I'm redoing everything. It's okay. Right now I bought the city. Is it like the city living? So I'm rearranging or building from scratch apartments and kind of doing like the small living space. I like to build like big homes from scratch on that game. If you're interested, let me know, and it might get me started with streaming on Twitch maybe. Is that where you stream video games? I don't know. I just want to play it. Like, well, I do play it, but I want to have people watch me play it. I feel like that would motivate me even more, and then have like a group chat, you know? And just be like a little community of talking about building homes and stuff. Are we nerds? We are. It's okay. But yeah, this is the Fitbee headquarters now. It's so cute. I'm so proud of it. Hopefully one day we get a warehouse though. We're working towards that though. We are working towards that. So moving along is the kitchen. This is probably my favorite out of the whole apartment. Where should, I have no idea. First, I got an island. Guys, Shamie got me an island. Let's kind of lower it. Can you see it? I can do cooking videos now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for that. Look how cute it is. I'm obsessed. Super happy we finally decided to get an island because it was a struggle. This is all the counter space I have. It's not a lot of counter space at all. So yeah, this is the kitchen. You guys probably see a lot of that in my cooking videos. And then we moved the couch to right here. Do you remember it was over here on this wall? I think I like it. It separates the kitchen now, which I like. And then you get the view now when you watch TV. Look at that. Look at that. And then we also got a shelf. Look at this. It's so cute. I have a shelf now. I love it. So now I can display a bunch of my stuff that was still in boxes. I'll probably have some B-roll stuff of everything on here, but I love it. Me and Jamie, so cute, so cute. Also, oh, I forgot to say I'm excited to talk about this. Hey, this is probably the most ratchet home tour I've ever seen, probably. Okay, I don't know if when I posted this on my story, but my friend has her own candle business and she makes them from scratch. She launched, I think, a little after the time I launched FitBee, so it had to been like in 2020. I remember, if you're from Florida, you know this. So you know Zaxby's? I remember I met her up in a Zaxby's parking lot because I think I like came straight from work to meet her up because I wanted to buy some of her candles, and I still have those candles at the condo in Florida. I'm so excited to see her business grow, especially because I've known her since middle school. It's just really cool to see someone that you know work so hard, because running a small business is not the easiest job. It's nice because we get to talk a lot about the struggles of running a small business too, so she's a great friend. Her store is finally live online, so if you're interested in getting candles, please check her out and follow her on Instagram because she posts a lot of behind the scenes of like her making the candles too, which we love behind the scenes stuff. You know me, I try to do my best as well to do behind the scenes because you kind of have to as a small business owner. Show the peeps what you're up to, but yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, was that it? Was that it? Was that it? Well, that is my apartment update. Let me know what you guys think. This was a good video, guys. I wish I had a team to film it. You know how hard it is to like do all the angles and shit? Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos lately. I'm really trying my best to put myself out there and get these videos out there as well. It's hard, but I think we're doing something. We're doing something. Let me know your favorite part about this video. And also, I'm a new plant mom. I need help finding what type of plants to get now. I'm facing south. So what are the best plants for south-facing windows? I think that's a good start. I remember someone said there's a plant that they grow like crazy, they're easy to maintain, and you can like start putting pins up so it kind of like grows along your window. What is that? I want that. I have 2 little plants over there and then a snake plant over there. I don't know what else to do. If you have any suggestions on that, let me know. I guess until next time, guys, let me know what you thought about the new setup. And I'm excited because there's a lot more spots to film now. I think that's what I'm most excited about. So get ready for cooking videos, guys, because we got an island. We're gonna be crazy up in here. But until next time, guys, peace.